Assalamualaikum and hi. In this video, we are going to present to you about problem-based task 1 for subject mobile application development. So let me introduce ourselves. So myself is Fazinatul AIZA with matric number 01 DDT23F1038, and my partner is Ainaa Amalina with matric number 01 DDT23F1069. So now let's move on to the next slide, which is the coding part. So in this slide, we are showing the coding for our activity main.xml file. We use a linear layout to organize the UI components vertically. So inside the layout, we include a text view, which is to display the title of the app, which we name it to Bookfinder app. Another one is text view. It is to show instruction for the user, asking them to enter the name of their favorite book. The next one is edit text. This is where the user can type the book title. We also add a hint text saying book title to guide the user. Finally, we add a button labeled Find Book, which the user can click to search for the book they entered. So this layout forms the basic structure of our app's main screen. So now let's move on to the next presenter. Thank you.
My name is Ainaa Amalina. My matrix number is 01DDT23F1069. So I'll be explaining for the main activity.java. So for the first line defines the package name. So this is the unique identifier for my app. Then I import several Android libraries such as app compact activity for creating the activity, bundle to manage the app state, view for handling user interaction, button and edit text for input field and the button. Toast is to display short messages. So the next, I declare the class. So public class main activity extend add compact activity. This makes main activity is the main screen of the apps. Now I will inside the class I declare an edit text called book edit text, which will let the user type in a book name. And there is a button called Find button, which the user will click to start the search. And there are also on create method. This method called when the activity is first created. In this method, I set the layout file with the set content view. Then I link the input box and button to the IDs from the layout using find view by ID. Finally, I use find button set on click listener. So this prepares the button so that when it clicks, some action will be performed. The actual action will be defined inside the listener. Now I'll be explaining on the second part of this code. So there is on click method. This part starts with the on click method where it runs whenever the user press the find book button. So inside the method, I create a string variable, string book name equals to book edit text, get text to string and trim. So this takes the text entered in the input field. To string converts it into text format. So the function of trim is to remove any extra spaces at the beginning or end. So next, the code checks if the book name is empty, then the toast message will display. Please enter a book name. So this makes sure the user cannot leave the box blank. If the user types something, the codes create a message searching for plus book name. So then the toast message is shown with this text. This message use toast.length underscore long, so it stays visible for a longer time. So if no text, user get a warning. If there is a text, user sees confirmation that search has started. So this is the output for our application. So if the text box is input by the user, and it will come out the string message searching for a book name. If not, it will appear please enter a book name. So that's all for us. Thank you.